Samsung is gearing up One UI 5 watch for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6, which brings some much-needed improvements. One brand new addition to that Galaxy Watch OS is Samsung's irregular heartbeat notifications, which can let users know if they're having issues well before they manually check. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. The Galaxy Watch 5 utilizes sensors to issue an electrocardiogram test, which can detect irregular heartbeats in users with the intention of directing them to seek medical help. Of course, this test is on demand, meaning that users need to manually check whether or not they have an irregular heartbeat. While the tool is invaluable, it can't be expected that everyone will check on a regular basis. In an effort to be more proactive in irregular heartbeat discovery, Samsung has been pushing for the Health Monitor app to be able to check these readings in the background. Announced today, Samsung has officially received clearance from the FDA to push that background monitoring function to Galaxy Watches with the ability to run an ECG. Galaxy Watch users can now activate the Samsung Health Monitor app to conduct ECG tests in the background. This feature helps identify irregular heartbeat rhythms and notifies users if AFib is detected. Upon receiving the notification, Samsung recommends that the user perform a manual ECG for greater accuracy. A manual ECG requires users to be in a specific position and place a finger on the watch to obtain a clear reading. Samsung is planning to roll out the ECG feature in the upcoming One UI 5 watch update, which is scheduled to be released with the Galaxy Watch 6 later this year. This update marks Samsung's further development of its version of Wear OS. We expect that Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 users who sign up for the One UI 5 watch beta will also see this feature included. It's worth noting that ECG readings are still limited to users with Galaxy phones paired to their Galaxy Watch, limiting the functionality for many. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.